In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send files on Facebook Messenger. Whether you're on your phone or on a computer, the process is quick once you know where to tap and click. I'll guide you through both and share a few simple tips to make sure your file arrives exactly as intended. Let's start on mobile, using either Android or iPhone. First, open the Messenger app and go into the conversation where you want to share the file. This could be a one-on-one chat or a group thread. Look just beside the message field for a small plus icon. Tap that plus icon to open the sharing options. On some phones, you'll see an option labeled File or Document. If you see it, tap it to open your phone's file picker. From here, browse to the location where your file is saved, like your Downloads or Documents folder, then select the file you want to send. Finally, tap Send. Depending on your phone version and Messenger app version, the file or document option may not appear. That's normal and simply means this feature isn't available on that specific setup. When it is available, you'll usually see a quick preview or file name in the chat. Give it a moment to upload, especially if the file is large or your connection is slow, and keep the app open until you see it appear in the conversation. Now let's do the same on a computer using Messenger.com or Facebook on the web. Open your browser, go to Messenger, and open the conversation you want to use. Look next to the message box for the attach or file icon, which looks like a small paperclip. Click that paperclip to open your computer's file chooser. Navigate to the file you want to send. This can be a PDF, a Word document, a zip archive, or another supported format. Then select it. Click Open to attach it, and when it appears in the message area, click Send. You'll see the file show up in the chat with its name or a small icon. Leave the tab open until the upload completes to ensure it goes through smoothly. A few quick tips as you share. Make sure the file is saved locally on your device before you try to attach it. Keep an eye on the upload indicator if one appears, and remember that very large files can take longer to finish. Clear file names can also help your recipient recognize what they're receiving right away. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can confidently send files on Facebook Messenger from your phone or your computer.